I'm Ellen the Crazy Crafty Lady, here with another quick video. Just wanted to show you my new sewing machine and how it does layers of canvas or jeans or corduroy or whatever thick material. You can do bowed canvas, different types of material. And just wanted to show you on the layers. These are 2 pieces of the canvas, and it does glide smoothly through the 2 pieces of canvas. Cuts off nicely. And we have 2 more pieces of canvas, which when added to this makes 4 pieces of canvas. And as you can see, it goes nicely through 4 pieces of canvas. Cuts off nicely at the edges. And we will now add 2 more pieces of canvas, which makes this 6 layers of canvas when added to the rest. And as you can see, it glides nicely over 6 layers of canvas, which is pretty awesome. Cuts nice again on the ends. Love that little cutter on the side. Always a plus on my machines. Here is the final 2 layers of canvas, which makes this 8 layers of canvas. And we will now glide through 8 layers of canvas quite easily. And there you have it. This machine nicely goes through 8 layers of canvas. Very awesome. Can't wait for the next projects. The bags and the stuff and whatever you can make with this, with all these awesome layers. And thanks for watching my video.